Hi everyone, welcome to our channel One Place to Learn. In this series, we will learn programming from the basics and gradually move toward coding and placement questions. No previous programming knowledge is required. Okay, we'll move to our first slide. C programming for beginners. In this video, we will have a part 1, that is Introduction to C. In this video, you'll learn C from zero. That means you will become a hero by the end. Now, we will see what is the meaning of programming. Programming means giving instructions to a computer. A program is a set of instructions used to perform a task. For example, two persons talk each other, but talking with the computer is with writing a program. So, program is nothing but is a set of instructions used to perform a task. Example is adding of two numbers and displaying the results. Now, we'll move to the next slide. What is C? C is a general purpose programming language developed by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs. C is a foundational language for learning program. It is widely used for system and application development. Okay, now you know what is C. C is nothing but a programming language that is used to communicate with a computer. Okay. Now, we'll learn C. Why we should learn C? It builds strong programming fundamentals, helps understand memory and how programs work, useful for learning C++, Java and other languages, important for coding interviews and academics. Okay, C. If you want to learn further languages, that means the advanced languages such as Java, C++, Python, C is a basic language that you should know. If you learn C, the other languages will be easy for you. Okay, it's not only for academics, it will also help in your interviews and also in placements. Okay, now we will know about the features of C. It is a simple and structured, fast and efficient, portable, supports functions and pointers, rich set of operations and libraries. In this slide, we have known that the features of C language. Okay, we will learn about these in the further videos. Okay, now slide. It is our main slide of this series. The first here the slide is about writing our first C program. C. The first C program is like this. Okay, it includes #include stdio.h. It means stdio.h stands for standard input output dot header file. Okay, it is a header file which includes all this. Next, int main. Int is a data type. Main is a function. Okay, it's a main function. Anything in a code will be written in a main function in a C language. Okay, printf. Printf is, in C language, printf is used to display the sentences, display any output on the screen. Okay, return 0. If you have taken the main function as an integer return type, then you should definitely return it with a 0. So, the output of this program will be hello world. Here in this program, you have seen the semicolon. What does the semicolon mean? Semicolon is nothing but, it's like a full stop in normal text. Okay, why will use the full stop? To stop the sentence at certain point. So, in the same way, it is understanding the program. Now moving to the next, stdio.h provides standard input and output functions. We have learned this standard input output functions. Now main means execution starts from the main function. I said the main is a main function where we'll write all the program in this function in a C language, and it is a main function where the execution starts. Printf means displays the output on the screen. Now coming to the return 0 indicates successful completion of a program. Okay. Next slide. The output will be hello world. The output will be hello world. Wait, let me check. Okay. So where we have written our hello world in printf statement. That means what does the printf statement shows? That it will display anything written in a printf statement will be displayed on the screen as an output. Okay, you understand this? Yes. Now this is our first C program. Okay, run the program and verify the output. C. Okay. Today in this video I am gonna give you some practice question. Your first question is write a C program to display welcome to C programming. Okay, try writing the program yourself before checking the answer. I will give a 2 minutes of time. Please do it without seeing. Okay, now I will write the program here. Please check whether it is correct or wrong. Okay, wait, let me. Okay, in the previous slide we have learned how we have to write the program in C language. Now we'll implement the same here. So first of all wait, let me complete. Erase. Wait, let me complete. Pen. Okay, C hash include C hash include. See, I am writing on a laptop now, since it is not we have learnt stdio.h. Why we are writing the stdio.h here? All of you may know why we are writing the stdio.h here, because it's a header file. Okay, now after writing the stdio.h, what we should have to write? The int main. Okay, what does it int main mean? The execution starts from this function. Okay, now opening the curly braces. It's not a flower braces. Remind it, children. It's not a flower brace. It is a curly brace. Okay, opening a, here we'll write printf. What's our output statement? Welcome to C programming. So we will only print here welcome. What I said in the previous video, what you have written in the printf statement, that will be displayed as output on your screen. Am I right or not? Yes. In the same way, here this will be your output. Please remember to keep your semicolon after the print statement. Now close the brace. Now the output for this will be, okay, now the output for this will be welcome to the Java. I have written only for welcome, but you should write for welcome to the C programming. Here we have included a header file. and a main function and a printf to display the output. Okay. Okay. Check your answers with this code. Sorry for the inconvenience of writing. Okay. Thank you. Next, we will move for the next slide. Okay. In this video, we have learned what programming means. We introduced the C language. We discussed important features of C. Okay. Have we covered or not? This. We have covered this. Okay. We discussed about important features. We wrote and understood our first C program. Okay. What do you mean by programming? Programming is used to communicate with a computer. Or we introduced C. What is a C language? C language is a type of programming language that is used to communicate with a computer. Okay, it was invented by Dennis Ritchie. These are the points that to be noted because it may be your interview questions and are also some fundamental and basic points. Now we have also discussed the important features of C. Am I right or not? We have covered these points and we wrote our first C program. Yes? Next. In the next video, we'll learn about a structure of a C program, variables, data types, constants, and wait. Basic input and output. If you are learning C from the beginning, follow this complete series and practice the programs along with me. See you in the next video.